Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I'm at Ikea and I really wanted to show you some hidden gems or products you might not know about that are definitely worth a look. Some of them are brand new as well. Some have been around for a while but you may have never seen them. So I really wanted to show you a few of my top favorites, and then I'm also going to show you a bit of a haul at the end of this video of anything that I bought today or anything else that caught my eye in store. So yeah, let's go to Ikea. I haven't actually been for ages and I really need to get a few bits for the house. I think it's been about a year since I've last been. So let's go in and I'll show you all of the hidden gems. Okay, so let's go off to Ikea. Something I really wanted to pick up today, especially as the weather is warming up where we live, and one of my sons is a very hot sleeper. So I wanted to get him this pillow. It's an ergonomic pillow. It's very comfortable, but it also is a cooling pillow. So you might be able to see a little bit of blue coming through the pillow right there, and it's basically a cooling pad. It's £49, and as you touch it, you can really feel the coolness. I always remember as a kid constantly flipping my pillow through the night to get the cool side, but with this it actually has a cooling pad on it. So the name of it is called Club Spore. As I said, it's £49 and you'll find it in the textiles section, not the bed section, which I thought is where I would find it. And they also had other cooling products as well. They had another pillow which was slightly more expensive. I'm not completely sure why, but this one was £70. You could also get full-on cooling mattress protectors, or I saw this which I thought would be perfect for kids. It is a small cooling pad, so it would cover a child, or if you're an adult, just kind of your torso area. It's about 80 centimeters square, but yeah, it's only £12. This is the name of it. I'm not going to try and pronounce it. And as a money-saving hack, they'd actually taken the £12 cooling pad and wrapped it around a pillow to show you that that's another way of making a cooling pillow without having the price tag. So I thought that was a really good idea. And then these were the full cooling mattress protectors as well. But I picked one up for Caleb and I can report he really likes it. Next up, I wanted to show you this portable drawing case. I think this would be so perfect if you're going on holiday to take as carry-on, or if you're going on a road trip as well. There's loads of storage inside, and there's also a flat surface on the front that can hold a piece of paper. It's only £13, so I actually got two of these, one for my two younger sons. They love arts and crafts, they love drawing, and I just think this would be perfect. Even if we were just going to a restaurant, this would be really handy. You can also get all of the pens and supplies in Ikea as well. And I also picked up this roll of coloring paper, and they also had this little like holder for it as well. So I got this for Jackson because I know this will keep him entertained for ages, and he already really likes it. They've got so many great things in the kids department. It's also a bit of a day out. If you're ever at a loss, go to the Ikea section, play with the toys. I think over the years we've had so many different ones. We've had the kitchen, we've had the train set, we've had the rocking horse, we've had the tea set. You know, there's some really great toys in Ikea. And if you are doing up a room, I can really recommend to you the Rattan IKEA light shades. They're very reasonable in price, and they're also really on trend and easy to install as well. We actually helped Matt's mum do up her bedroom recently, and we got her this light shade. It was only £15 and it looks so good in the room. So I just think it's really reasonable, and they even do pendant versions of this as well, which we considered for our kitchen area. These are them here, and then you can also see them here lit up. But again, a reasonable price, about £39. They look amazing, and yeah, they're really on trend, so just a nice hidden gem. I also wanted to show you this lamp, which I think would be perfect for making content, but it would also be great if you were having meetings online, Zoom calls, things like that. So it's a desktop ring light, but it also comes with a phone holder. It's £37, and I really like that the phone holder can actually move around, so you can reposition it. The light itself is really bendy, and it's also dimmable, and you can choose what kind of light you want. You can go from from white light to warm light to blue light, and then you can choose the level that you want. So this would be great if you are just having a meeting, or if you're making content for your business, or you're making makeup tutorials, or just chatty videos. I really think that this is great. It would even be an amazing gift. I also wanted to show you these drink dispensers, which I think would be perfect for summer, for the kids to be able to fetch their own drinks, but also if you were having company over or a party, it would also be great. You can get them with this stand, which is £2.50, and they also do 2 different sizes of the dispensers. They are glass, they feel really high quality, and they're £19. I actually think this slightly smaller one would maybe fit in the fridge a bit better, but be a great mum hack for your kids to get their own drinks, or for a party as well. Another hidden gem that I wanted to show you guys are these glass door cabinets. These are very on trend at the moment, and they're so reasonably priced in Ikea. I'm actually kicking myself because we ordered something just like this for our new front room, and we have paid double what I could have in Ikea. I hadn't seen that they did it in Ikea before we ordered ours, so you can pick them up here for about £129 to £180, and they come in various different sizes. They also have all kinds of different colors. There's like green, white, black, but they look really slick. You could use it as like a little bar, like a little display cabinet. We're going to put like little statues and books in ours in our new front room. But yeah, they look really good quality, very similar to what I bought. So it is a shame that I didn't see these ones before. I also wanted to show you this pestle and mortar that comes in black, but it also comes in marble. This one was £13, and I bought it to dress my kitchen, but also use it at the same time. So I'm going to display it on our kitchen shelves, and I'm so pleased with how it looks. I also quickly wanted to mention, because we get a lot of comments about our black cutlery, they do a full set of black cutlery in Ikea as well. I also really love this vegetable slicer. You get a set of 2 for £4, and it's so easy to use. It's also great for spiralizing veg. So if you wanted to make courgette or fancy carrots for a salad, this makes it really easy to do so, and it's small to store in your drawers. I also have to do a shout out for the Ikea rug section. There are so many amazing indoor and outdoor rugs at the moment. They're such high quality. This one is basically the same as our playroom rug. It looks like the exact same pattern, and it was quite reasonably priced as well. I also loved the look of this one, and they just had some in there that seemed really high quality, like quite luxury looking rugs. Like this one here, it was like really bobbly and it felt really squishy. And then this rug actually reminded me so much of the one that we have in Jackson's bedroom, which I get so many questions about, but it's actually from Benuta, but they have a version in Ikea as well. Another hidden gem are the iPad stands that they have. They're really reasonable. This one was £12, but they also do a few different versions. Like this could hold an iPad, but it could equally hold a cookbook as well. And it was £11. It's a slightly different design, but I think if you're looking for one, Ikea is the place. And I also love these vases. I saw this on the website and I wanted to get the black one. Originally, from seeing the photos, I thought it was going to be crockery, but it is in fact like a stainless steel material. But I just think this would look great with flowers in it or on a shelf on display. It's like a really nice shape. So we did get one of these. And then I also wanted to show you the cutting boards in Ikea. That sounds really boring and random, but they have some really fancy, nice ones that you can actually put on display. So in our kitchen, again, on our shelf, I wanted to get a big chunky one to put on it to display it, but then also actually use it. So I got this one. It's huge. It was £35, but they have so many other ones in there as well. I also wanted to show you this microwave cover. It's only £1 from Ikea, and it's just brilliant. I've shared so many cleaning hacks on how to clean your microwave that actually, if you just get one of these and put it over your food in the microwave, it will save the splatters. I also wanted to show you these rugs. I got 3 new ones for our dining bench. They come in different materials, different colors. These ones are £10. That's what I got, but you can get the proper sheepskin ones as well. They're also washable. And those are kind of the hidden gems I wanted to show you. But then I also wanted to show you a few other things that I thought were worth mentioning. This tray would be great for Father's Day or breakfast in bed. I also thought this would be a great Father's Day present, and I showed this before. It's like a little arm cover for your couch, so you can put like your phone, maybe a drink on it. It fits any size couch because it's really large and it just bends. And then I also loved these throw cushions. They're very similar to the ones that we have in our front room, but again, they're only £16. And we have a Joseph and Joseph version of a salt and pepper shaker like this, but these were just £10 each and super stylish. And then I also get so many questions about our playroom storage, so I quickly wanted to show you that this is the range. It's called Besta and it's been brilliant. I also really loved this range of plates and bowls. It's quite similar to the ones that we got from H&M Home. So it's called this Glade Lig, I believe, and then the matching mugs are here. I think they were called Fantastique, and they were quite reasonably priced as well. And you may have seen this before in our bathroom. It's such great storage. It's on wheels, would work for toys, a caddy. They're just brilliant. They come in all different colors. And I also loved this little PC stand because it has a little drawer in it. It's only £27. And then I'm also considering this light for our hallway. It's a really dark hallway, so we need some really bright lights. And there were so many options in Ikea. And of course, I couldn't make an Ikea video and not show you a fudge cut. We have so many of these on shelves. They're only £5 and they're just so versatile. And if you're looking for pantry storage or kitchen storage, they have so many different jars as well. I also thought this was a brilliant seat for the beach. It folds up really small. It's £25. So if you do go to the coast a lot, I think this would be great. Or they also had this other like small chair for just £20 as well. And whenever you go to Ikea, it's always worth checking out the returns hub, or the circular hub as it's called. Lots of the things there are just X display. You could save over half price. Or this light, for instance, if you were buying it anyway, you might as well save a bit of money. If you can be bothered to rummage through the blankets, like they're perfectly good, and you can save yourself, like get a discount. And then they also have bigger items like this couch, which just happens to be X display, but you can save over nearly £800. And then also, if you like upcycling things, tables like this could be repainted. Anyway, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you did, and also what is your best ever Ikea buy. I would absolutely love to know that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.